Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft on your Mac or Windows for free. So if you're excited to start building and exploring, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Minecraft download and hit the enter button. Click on the first link that takes you to the official Minecraft website. And once you're on the site, scroll down and you'll see a lot of options to download. Right now I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to choose the Mac version. But if you have a Windows, just click this one right here, or just go ahead and click on whatever you have. After that, this will download the Minecraft DMG file to your computer. And once the download is complete, open the file by double-clicking on it. After that, a new window will appear with the Minecraft icon on the left side and the Applications folder on the right side. So just drag the Minecraft icon into the Applications folder. That installs Minecraft to your Mac. You can now close the window and delete the installer if you want. After that, go to your Applications folder, find Minecraft and double-click to open it. And if a security prompt pops up, just click Open to continue. Minecraft will update itself, then you'll land on the launcher screen. Sign in using your Microsoft account, and if you don't have one, you can create one for free right there. So once you're signed in, you're all set to start playing Minecraft on your Mac. And that's it. Thanks for watching.